Alright, White Lightning is getting new signal lights put on. This is my friendly neighborhood technician. Yo.
Duck face. Edit that out.
You know I never do. Stock lights to Watsen LED. Heated grip should have been my priority, actually, over the lights and the tail tidy.
No, it'll be warm soon.
You think so? No, today was freezing. The rain. You turn on the lights for the side?
No, you're on forward.
Oh, like that.
It's so bright, like it's blinding me just from here.
Oh, I can't even look straight at it.
Look at this guy.
Ah!
This guy's like a mosquito flying toward. Oh, he goes dirty.
It's not as bright in the video as it is in real life. It's almost blinding.
It's so bright.
Hopefully it's all good. Ah!
Jeez.
It's so bright.
So loud.